This question is, what does it mean in NotebookLM if I add a source and it is red? Okay, that means that the source failed. Some part of connecting that source to NotebookLM did not work. So let me show you what that looks like. If you are following along, this is notebooklm.google.com, and you get to this screen. And if you don't have any notebooks, you can click on create new notebook and then create one. Or if you have a notebook, you can go into it. I have a notebook, so I'll go in here, and then on the left-hand side are your sources. And if you click on add sources here, you'll get this window. If you don't have any sources, this window will pop up anyway. So I am gonna add a source that I know will fail, and when I insert, so now this is red. So if this worked, it would show up like these sources. It would just have a normal background, and I'd be able to either check or uncheck it. When they don't work, it has a red background, and then there's just the little info thing. And if I hover over this, it will say this video cannot be imported, and then transcript not available. This is a video, so that it'll be different if it's a web page or text or something else. But I found that the info here is usually not very helpful. Like, it's usually not even a complete message. So this one is surprising, but either way, if it's red, it means that it could not upload. Now, if you know that the source is good, then there might just be some kind of communication problem or something else, and you can delete it and then try again. Or if it keeps coming back red, then maybe you just try again later. But like, I can't do anything with this source except read the message that it can't be imported, and then I can click on more here, and then I can remove the source, or I can remove all failed sources. There's only one, so in this case, it would just remove this one. But I could literally remove it or look at it. There's no other option here. So I click on that, and then it's like, you sure you want to delete this? Yeah. And then it goes away. That's really it. And that'll happen sometimes if you do fast research or even deep research. If you do one of these two and then you get a bunch of sources, so let's say I ran this and then I got 10 sources back, sometimes one of them will come back red. And that means that that source didn't work. Either the server was down or a communication issue, or who knows why, but for some reason that source didn't work. So anytime you see a red source, it means that something with that communication failed, and that source is not usable in NotebookLM. You almost always just want to click on more and just remove the source. And really, you just want to remove all failed sources, unless you're making a video about failed sources. But there's really nothing you can do with a failed source today. So yeah, I mean, that's it. I don't really think there's a recap needed because that was a really short video. But red source means that it failed. Delete it and either try to add it again or get a better source that it can connect to. I hope that answers your question. See you next time.